In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Lark. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save a file from Lark Drive to your computer, quickly and with confidence. First, open Lark Drive. This is the cloud storage area inside Lark where your documents, sheets, and other files live. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that your internet connection is stable, since the download will come from the cloud to your device. Once Lark Drive is open, and you can see your folders and files, you're ready to move on. Next, select the file you want to export. Single-click it so it's highlighted. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct item by checking the file name, type, and location. If you're working with a large file, keep in mind that download time will depend on your network speed and the size of the file. Also, ensure you have permission to access and download the file. If it's a shared document with restricted settings, the download option may be limited. Now, right-click on the file. On a mouse, that's the secondary click. On a trackpad, a two-finger click usually opens the same context menu. When you do this correctly, a small menu will appear next to the file with several options related to managing it. From that menu, click Download. This tells Lark to prepare a copy of the file and send it to your computer. If you're prompted to confirm, just proceed and allow the download to start. For very large items, you might see a brief preparation step before it begins transferring. Stay on the page until the download starts to avoid interruptions. Finally, the file saves to your PC. By default, most browsers and desktop apps place downloads into a folder named Downloads, unless you've chosen a different destination. You can usually see progress at the bottom of your browser window or in your system's download manager. Once it's finished, locate the file in your Downloads folder, then move it to a project folder or rename it if that helps you keep things organized. If the file type opens in a specific program, double-clicking it should launch the right application automatically. That's all there is to it. Open Lark Drive, select your file, right-click, click Download, and the file saves to your PC. With these steps and a few simple checks, you can export your data from Lark whenever you need it, cleanly and reliably.